Hey everyone, welcome to the final week of Social Work 639. I hope your experience in the course has been positive. I hope that at this point you feel more of a sense of security and confidence in understanding and carrying out theory and intervention. I know I've definitely enjoyed seeing everyone's growth and progress within their education, and you're all going to make fantastic social workers. So, week 7 is all about serious mental illness and the challenges that come along in treatment. You will have 5 required readings this week regarding treatment issues and interventions for those with serious mental illness. You will then have the following podcasts and videos. You will see that the content targets a variety of issues related to treatment, from intervention to engagement to family involvement to psychopharmacotherapy. It is important in your work with people with serious mental illness that you have some understanding of and familiarize yourself with medications, because many of these disorders do require medication for treatment to be effective. Treatment and therapy combined typically is the recommended approach for serious mental illness. You will then have 3 discussions this week. I will go over each one individually. So here I have the first discussion, where I'm asking you to research the policies in your particular area surrounding mental health, specifically the policies that might impact treatment. You will then describe one of those policies within your initial post, and describe how it could potentially impact treatment and how you might address the challenges associated. This is similar to a portion of your integrative part 2 paper. You might remember it is important to understand the policies in your area thoroughly. For instance, you'll want to know the policy surrounding involuntary treatment in order to feel prepared, as this issue will inevitably come up within treatment. This could actually be an issue you could discuss within the post. An example of an issue that you might face is maintaining a relationship with your client following an involuntary treatment, or after 302ing them, as they often feel that trust is broken. Another issue might be that you might have a feeling that your client is unsafe, but they don't meet the proper criteria for involuntary hospitalization. This is another challenge that you could potentially discuss how you might handle an issue such as that. So you'll then need to respond to at least one classmate and identify some additional ideas on how to deal with the policy that they identified. For the second discussion, you have been placed into groups of 3 or 4 students. I have assigned you to either the role of clinician or judge, as well as assigned one of the following cases. You can see those assignments in the body of the announcement. If you are the clinician, you will need to post a plan for treatment regarding the assigned case, making sure to hit all of these key points. Your post will be due on Thursday by 11:59 p.m. and you are not required to have a response post. So then if you are assigned to the role of judge, you are responsible for reading your group's case scenario as well as all of your group members' posts. You will then choose one of the group members' intervention plans that you most agree with and support your decision with class materials. Your post is due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and that is the only post that you're required to have for this discussion. For your final discussion this week, you will be providing a reflection of your time in the course and your growth and development as a social worker. This post is based on your own thoughts, opinions, and experiences, so there's no need to use any course material or citations. And then you will just follow up with a response post to one of your classmates and provide some positive feedback. So in addition to the 3 posts this week, I am also asking that you fill out course evaluations. This is a great way for the program and myself to better understand what is working and not working, so as to ensure a positive learning experience for students. Yeah, but I very much enjoyed joining you for the course. I have seen amazing growth in all of you. Please reach out with any questions, and good luck in the future as social workers.